I'll be presenting the last assignment of this course, that is transformers and like NLP. And this is sad, like I have enjoyed this course very much. This is like a Kira's NLP Hugging Face assignment. So basically, like we do the like NLP task, including the interface with the pre-trained classifiers, fine-tuning the pre-trained backbone, and like building a train your own transformers from the scratch. Like these are the like assignments that I got, and like I have demonstrated like each one with a clear overview and like explaining all the things. And like it's my GitHub repo, and in this like you'll be finding the collab links, and this is a YouTube video for that. And if you go on to the first section, that is interface with the pre-trained BERT model. So I have used a BERT model for this for the classifier. So like interface with the pre-trained classifier. So here is the like objective is to pre-trained BERT model to classify the like news articles with like additional trainings and other things. So here like I have loaded the TensorFlow and other models, and here like model output and like how they loaded and etc. So here is the running interface for that and plotting the function. And this is the like the plots that we got for a prediction conference for input statement. And once that is done, then the single input processing will be done, and the saving the model and verify the reloading of the model and etc stuff. And once that is done, then I have used a histogram of confidence score. Like this is a class distribution of predictions that are like possibly false and the likely true and etc. And these are the confidence score distribution for the BERT task. So this completes the part 1 task, that are like interface with the pre-trained BERT model. So have loaded the BERT model and the interface of the model, and the customer factual statements and etc. And next we go on to the fine tuning the BERT model on like AG News. So this is the fine tuning BERT model on the AG News. So it follows the same order, like it imports the functions loading the AG News dataset from the Hugging Face. And once the dataset is loaded, then we tokenize the pre-processing of the BERT model, and this is the number of classes and lengths and etc. And this is the model, and like covering the DF data sets using the Hugging Face utility. And this is the part where we converted our dataset to tf dot dataset and then for dataset formats. And once that's done, then we'll build the model, and once the model is built, then we'll train the model. Like I have due to shortage of times and assignments, I have only reduce the approaches to 5 so that it can run and like I can understand more of it. So how to do the early stopping and overstopping, I have tried a lot of examples for this. And this is the plots for the curves, and this is actual over reproaches and loss over reproaches. And this is the evaluation score that I got for this, and this is a confusion matrix. And saving the model, and fine-tuning pre-trained model with the BERT for sentiment analysis, like using IMDb dataset for this. So here is the like dataset loading and the mapping of the dataset, and this is the accuracy and loss wise train and test validations. And once that is done, this is the like evaluation and saving the model for the rest. So this completes the part 2 of the assignments, that are this like fine tuning the BERT with AG News. And then we move on to the part 3, customer transformers, like on the IMDb dataset, or building our own transformers from the scratch. So this so here like I have to IMDb sentiment classifier, like I'll perform everything from the scratch here. So I have used TensorFlow and all the MATLAB and etc things here. And then building the transformers layer from the scratch. Here is the token and position embedding layer, and this is a multi-head self attention layer, and this is the transformers encoding block. And once that is done, then we'll build a end-to-end transform model and train that. And this is the like model parameters input layer and embeddings for that. And then we compile the model, train the model, and plot the results for that. And this is the evaluation matrices and the scores for the this one. So here this completes the like all 3 performance of the assignment. So I have like I'll be posting everything on the YouTube and as well as in this GitHub repo. Thank you so much.